So as many of you know, trading is very, very difficult. So what does it actually take to become a profitable trader inside the Forex industry? In today's video, I'm actually going to be giving you guys some inside advice on what it takes to actually be profitable, what it's good to have, and what other things you can do to make your journey a little bit easier and a little bit shorter compared to mine. And I'm also going to be discussing my journey with you guys in today's video, because a lot of the stuff that I'm going to be saying, if you're a beginner trader, you can relate to as well. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. But before we jump into the video, make sure you guys are subscribing to the channel. In all seriousness though, guys, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe into it, because I'm offering free Forex education, I'm offering free tips, free tricks. All of that stuff is being passed onto this channel absolutely for free. And all I'm going to ask you guys to do in the meantime is just subscribe to the channel. And if you do enjoy this content, make sure you give it a thumbs up. So first of all, let's not get it twisted. Trading is fantastic. It provides so many opportunities, and the thing is, it's so good because it's so flexible. You can trade when you want, you can trade in the evenings, you can trade in the mornings, you can trade at night. Depending on where you live, it doesn't matter. The only time you can't trade is at the weekend. You can use it as a full-time income, you can use it as a part-time income, you can use it to supplement other incomes. It's a fantastic source of wealth. Unfortunately, you only see one side to this sort of lifestyle. You'll only see the fast cars, the fancy lifestyles, going out for dinner. What a lot of people don't show you is the true side to trading. They'll show you the cars, they'll show you the houses, they'll show you that going on luxurious holidays, private jets, whatever it may be. They'll show you all of this stuff, but they won't show you the bad side of trading. And a lot of the side that a lot of you watching this video are going to experience. The losses, the drawdown, the psychological issues. Now, if you're a veteran trader, now I've been trading for 4 years, so I don't really suffer from any psychological issues, if any. But when you're first starting your trading journey, what are the two things you don't like to do? First of all, be wrong and lose. And in trading, that's something you're going to have to accept, because you will be wrong and you will lose. And the second thing is, you don't like losing money. You're taught to save your money, you're taught never to lose. And what are the two things that happen in trading all of the time? You lose, and you lose money. So now, what are some of the things that you guys can actually do to help your trading journey along? And what are some of the things that you fundamentally need to be successful in the Forex industry? Well, the first thing is hard work. Now, I know as a beginner, when I was a beginner, you can win, you can lose, it happens, okay? You can get a lucky trade and win lots of money and then feel like you've conquered the world, you've conquered the market, but then just one day later, you go and lose all of your P's. Now, working hard will actually only take you so far, because you need to put in the hard work to get the results, but this is where the dedication comes into effect. The hard work will pay off to a degree, but the dedication is what you guys need to carry on with that journey, because the hard work will only get you so far. You need the dedication to push you over the line. Now, unfortunately, with my journey, it took a lot more time, effort, heartache, and dedication than probably necessary, because I didn't actually learn from a mentor. I'm completely self-taught, so I was watching videos on the internet, trying to find strategies, trying to adjust my strategies to fit me and my trading. And basically, it would have been, I would have seen a strategy, used that strategy, it would have worked for a little bit, I'd have jumped strategies, kept jumping strategies, and then what I eventually found through trial and error is what works for me now. Had I had a mentor, or had I had someone to help me, this would have been a lot easier. But what got me through this time was the hard work and the dedication. And that leads on to my next thing that you guys are going to need, and that is passion. It can't just simply be an outlet for you to get money. You have to be passionate about trading, because hard work and even dedication will only get you so far. Dedication comes and goes. Not only that, you also get times where you're feeling really motivated and then you're really feeling really deflated. Now, the dedication will help you through that, but what will help you through that completely is passion. Passion for trading, passion for the markets. I actually sound like a weirdo saying it out loud, like I've got a passion for the markets, but honestly, you have to enjoy it like it's a hobby, because if you're just looking at this as a source for money, and a source for outcome, and just a source to get rich quick, it's never going to work. It's never going to work, because I'm telling you now, when I started off my trading journey, I was just like that. I was just thinking of it for the money. I wanted to use it as a get-rich-quick scheme. And unfortunately, trading, you can't get rich quick. Well, you technically can, but you have to pretty much break all the fundamental rules you're taught, which is good risk management, controlled risk, all of that stuff. You have to blow it out the window, because you won't get rich quick that way. And unless you're trading on like a 100k account using correct risk management, you're still not going to get rich quick. Now, some things that's actually quite nice to have is a little bit of luck. Okay, trading is also a bit of luck involved. So you can stack confluences up. You can have a strategy that wins you, I don't know, 85.9% of the time, whatever it may be, whatever your strategy may bring back in percentage of win rate. It doesn't matter, but you still need a little bit of luck, because trading is essentially betting. You're betting on the markets going up, or you're betting on the markets going down. Now, sometimes you do need a bit of luck to help you get there. Sometimes you may have almost been stopped out, and then it shoots down into your profits. That's a bit of luck. It didn't touch your stop loss. It was maybe a couple of pips away, didn't touch your stop loss. You got a bit lucky, and the trade went in your direction. Now, you could say that that's just skill. You could say that your stop loss was in a really good area, it didn't take you out, and then it shot into profits. That's also true. But you also do, in my opinion, need a bit of luck. You need a bit of luck in your journey, finding the right people. But I think the one thing that you're clicking on this video for is how can you make your journey a bit more smooth sailing. Now, I actually have all the stuff written down here, so I'm going to be reading it straight off my old pad. So the things that can help getting a mentor, it's literally that simple. Getting a mentor can help. Essentially, he can teach you, or she, doesn't have to be a he, they can teach you the knowledge that they've gained over the years that they've been doing trading. So, for example, I actually offer a mentorship program. I offer one-to-ones. I offer signals, okay? So you can learn directly from people. Now, I didn't have a mentor, so I was making silly mistakes that could have been avoided, and I was making mistakes that should have been avoided, but I made those mistakes, and it made me a better trader. But I wouldn't have had to have made those mistakes had I had a mentor. The next thing is networking, and sort of networking with other traders of your sort of skill level. So there's no point networking, I don't think, with traders that are, say, 6 years into their journey, because although they've been there and done that, you need someone that's experiencing it with you now, because it can make your journey so much more easy. Someone that's been trading for 6 years, okay, and has made all the money and is still making a handful of money, like bucket loads of money, isn't going to be any help to you, a new beginner trader. Essentially, someone that is starting their journey will know, because you can relate to each other. Now, he can relate, this profitable trader that we're talking about, he can relate to you, okay? And he knows what you're talking about because he's experienced it and he's overcome all of the shit that you're going through now. Unfortunately, because he's already experienced it, there's not really any connection there. So if you find someone and you start networking with people that are sort of a similar skill to you, you can go through it together. You can go through the loss, you can go through the pain, and it's just someone to help you fall back on, someone to support you. So if you've got that as well as a mentor, you're in for a very good treat, because it's going to help your trading journey, it's going to help you be successful in the Forex industry, and hopefully help you make a lot of money from inside the markets. So just to recap quickly, we've got hard work, dedication, and passion. Hard work, you need it because you need to work hard to get where you want to be. Dedication, because you need to be dedicated. Motivation comes and goes. You need to have that dedication in place. And then third of all, you need to have passion. Passion is so important in this industry. And if you don't have any of the passion for Forex, just ask yourself, is there any point continuing with your journey? Things that you should have that is quite nice to have is a little bit of luck. We all need a bit of luck here and there, and it's always nice to have a bit of luck in trading. And the last things and the most important things is obviously the mentor. This can be not just me, it could be anyone. They can help you with your journey, they can support you through your journey, and they can show you where you're going wrong, most importantly, and that will shorten your learning curve, and it will just make your life so much easier. And then lastly, networking, trying to get traders of a similar standard to you so you can go through the pain together. But let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. If you guys have any other tips that you would like to share down in the comment section below, make sure you leave it, because other traders are going to be watching this. So if you are a trader and you may be a bit more profitable, or even if you're not profitable, share your story down in the comment section below. Leave a like on this video if you did enjoy it. I don't know what that is. I think that's actually pen from this pen. yeah, I hold pens when I do my commentaries. But if you are a trader and you have a story, let me know down in the comment section below. It'd be nice for us all to hear and understand what's going on, because if you are new, you do have the wool pulled over your eyes, okay? So it's good to sort of see the truth behind trading. So let me know your stories. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and not only that, subscribe to the channel for more free Forex content. But this is Luke, and I'm signing out. Peace.